Hello, in this video I will show you how to use Google Play gift card on Brawl Stars. Now it's a very easy process. So all you will do is just simply open your Android device, then just simply go to your game and then just simply start your game. Now once you will be in the shop section of your game where you want to buy some gems or whatever you want to buy, just simply enter the gift card number right over there if you have the option, and in any case if you don't have the option, go to your Play Store, then click on your profile at the very top right. And over here you will have the payment and subscription section. Click on this option. Now right over here you will have the option of redeem code, so choose this option. And now just simply enter the gift card right over here in this section, or if you want you can also scan the gift card using the scan gift card section right over here. After entering the gift card, click on redeem and the funds will be transferred into your Google Play balance. Now once you have the balance over here, the next thing that you have to do is you have to just simply restart your game. So just simply turn the game off and restart it, and then again try to do the transaction, and when you will do the transactions this time, the payment will automatically get deducted from your Google Play balance that you just added with Google gift card. So that's it, and if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.